guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been making silk thread jewelry for 2 years now, and today I will be showing you how I make them. I will make pretty basic jhumkas and it's like a tutorial style video. So if you enjoy the video, give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe down there so that you get notified every time I post a video.
Okay, let's begin. We will start with the basic materials. So you will need all these materials most definitely. You do not have another choice. First thing and the most obvious is silk thread. I got this set of 25 threads recently. Maybe I will show you unboxing them after some time, after some videos. Okay, anyway, okay, it's a tutorial video. Anyway, okay, choose a color, any favorite color of yours. I took blue cause I didn't really use it in a long time. I was out of threads. So now the next materials: big size plastic jhumka bases, jhumka caps, head pins, jump rings. I didn't really use them, but sometimes I need them, so I just mention them anyway. Ear wires and pearls and golden balls. And also you will need any decorative chain, pearl, stone ball, any ball chain, etc. So we have now, once we have all our materials, we are going to prep our thread. Let's go. Take any clipboard, baseboard, or even a long piece of cardboard. I just use the same baseboard that I use for making the jewelry. So squeeze a pea amount of Fevicol or fabric glue on one end of the board, and now paste the end of the thread on this board. You make sure that it's tight because it should be tight, otherwise it will come out. Anyway, you will need a lot of thread, so open it long and keep it somewhere so that you can just pull to get the thread. Now wrap the thread around the board. I really hope that this video will make this most important step as clear as possible. Here's an even more side angled clear video. Wrap it around for 50 times or according to your instinct. Try trusting them most of the times. So on this board, 50 times helps me cover both the jhumka base at one time. So I hope that gives you some idea of how many number of times you will have to wrap. Once that is done, just gather all the threads together and squeeze some glue on the thread. Paste the open thread on the gathered threads. Cut out from the non-pasted point of the thread. Squeeze, glue and paste all the threads together at a point. Cut in the center of the point so that you get two glued ends. After this, take a minute to admire the silky, shiny thread. I was playing with it for like 1 minute and I was like,
OMG, see how shiny it is, see how silky it is. And once you're done with playing with
once you're done with playing with it, let's get rapping. Now we have to wrap our jhumka base using this thread. Take the jhumka base and on the inside paste one of the glued ends. Make sure it is pasted nicely, otherwise when we pull it to wrap it may come out. Hold on the glue part. Tightly wrap it and put it inside the hole. Pull it out and repeat the process. Wrap tightly, put inside the hole and pull it out. Repeat the process. Once you are done wrapping the jhumka base, we have to paste the thread and secure it. Now squeeze out a little bit of amount of glue on the inside and paste the thread over it. Then squeeze out some glue over the pasted thread and paste it all together. On the tip of the open thread, squeeze out a little bit of glue and paste the threads together so that you get another closed end. Wrap both of the jhumka bases. Once you are done with this, we will give some shine to our earrings. It's time to decorate them. For decorating, we will need the flower cap and the decorative chain I mentioned earlier. Paste the flower cap on the top as shown. Take the chain, measure it around the bottom and bend it at the point. Now cut it at the same length and then cut it at the bend as shown. Squeeze out a line of glue at the bottom of both jhumkas. Paste the chain. To make sure that the chain is aligned, push it down on a smooth surface. Paste the other piece of chain on the other one as well. Now let's assemble our jhumka so that we can wear it and show it off. Okay, take the head pin, put in the golden ball and then the jhumka. The golden ball will block the jhumka from falling off the head pin because of the hole. Now add a pole on top and bend the remaining wire one way and then round it to create a hoop. Before closing the hoop, add in a earring wire. Repeat the process with the other jhumka as well. Ta-da! Our jhumkas are ready. Rock them now, and while you are at it, see me rock them for a while as well. Here's just a short video of me tangling the earrings in slow motion.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below your suggestions. Also subscribe down there and also click the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a video.